Question number 1. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between India and Pakistan signed? Answer. In 1950. Question number 2. Who was the first women governor of SBP? Answer. Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Question number 3. Mirpur is a famous city of? Answer. Azad Kashmir. Question number 3. What is the total area of Balochistan province? Answer. 347,190 square kilometer. Question number 5. What is the total area of Sindh province? Answer. 140,914 square kilometer. Question number 6. What is the total area of KPK? Answer. 74,521 square kilometer. Question number 7. What is the total area of FATA? Answer. 27,220 square kilometer. Question number 8. What is the total area of ICT? Answer. 906 square kilometer. Question number 9. KRL stands for? Answer. Kahota Research Laboratories. Question number 10. GHQ stands for? Answer. General Headquarters. Question number 11. Who was the first C-in-C of Pakistan Navy? Answer. Gaffon James. Question number 12. Frank Mesri was the first C-in-C of? Answer. Pakistan Army. Question number 13. Perry Kane was the first C-in-C of? Answer. Pakistan Air Force. Question number 13. The first Chief of Staff of Pak Army was? Answer. General Taqa Khan. Question number 15. Zafar Ahmad Chaudhry was the first Chief of Air Staff of? Answer. Air Force. Question number 15. Defense Day is observed on? Answer. 6 September. Question number 17. The headquarters of Air Force is located in? Answer. Islamabad. Question number 18. The highest official rank of Air Force is? Answer. Air Chief Marshal. Question number 19. The highest non-operational military award is? Answer. Sitara-A Basalt. Question number 20. Bakhtar Shikar missile system is? Answer. Anti-tank. Question number 21. The range of HATF-1 is? Answer. 100 km. Question number 21. The range of HATF-2 is? Answer. 180 km. Question number 23. The range of HATF-3 is? Answer. 290 km. Question number 23. The range of HATF-4 is? Answer. 750 km. Question number 25. The highest official rank of Pakistan Army? Answer. General. Question number 26. Who was the first Muslim C-in-C of Pakistan Army? Answer. Field Marshal Muhammad Ayub. Question number 27. Who was the first Muslim C-in-C of Pakistan Air Force? Answer. Air Marshal Asghar Khan. Question number 28. Who was the first Muslim C-in-C of Pakistan Navy? Answer. Admiral Muhammad Saddiq. Question number 28. The largest cantonment of Pakistan Army is located in? Answer. Kharan. Question number 29. HIT stands for? Answer. Heavy Industries Taxila. Question number 31. At the time of 1965 what the C-in-C of Pak Army was? Answer. General Agha Muhammad Yahya Khan. Question number 31. At the time of Kargil in 1999 the Chief of Army Staff was? Answer. General Pervez Musharraf. Question number 32. The name of first Pakistan-made submarine is? Answer. Augusta 90B. Question number 34. In which of the following cities the headquarters of Punjab Rangers is located? Answer. Lahore, Pakistan. Question number 35. Captain Muhammad Sarwar was martyred in the war of? Answer. In 1948.